See, every life that lives in this creation is different, and every life tries to keep happiness to his body and mind at the maximum limit. But the problem is that it is not possible to find this happiness alone in the social life. So, taking human help inevitably comes to life. See, people dependent on others people because of their daily needs and sexual need also. But one of the great difficulty of the material world is to set boundary. Every person set a boundary in his personal life. It's like a tiger in a zoo cage. No matter how beautiful the tiger looks from the outside of the cage, but there is no escape if it is crossed the boundary of the cage. Similarly, people do the same things. You will look beautiful to others as long as you do not cross the boundary line of others' personality. When you do something against someone's wishes, that means you have crossed that person's boundary line. As soon as this boundary of this personality are crossed, a mental fight begins. This applies to family, loved one, neighbors, and every person in this society. It is human nature for everyone to behave as expected. When the person in front does not behave as per expectation, then people think that the boundary of his personality are being interfered with. The boundary of this personality in the husband-wife relationship become very sensitive. If the wife asks husband to do as she pleases and the husband does not want to do that, then the husband thinks that the wife in crossing on the boundary of his personalities. So, as long as the boundary of this personality remain, the conflict in the interrelationship will continue. So the only way to end this conflict is to establish an unexpected relationship where there are no boundary of personality and there is no frustration of not being found. Oh, you will like this video. If so, please subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.